Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Lexicon Ledger, English for Global Professionals. I'm Aleen, your English coach and guide.
And I'm Alhena, your friendly learner and partner on this journey. We're so happy you're here.
This is a place where English becomes clear, simple, and useful for your real life, at home, at work, and in the world.
Exactly. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or a professional who wants to sound more confident in English, this podcast is for you.
So what is the Lexicon Ledger? It's a learning series that helps you speak with confidence and work with clarity. We start from the very basics, like greetings and introductions, and move step by step toward real workplace English.
Right. I'm learning too. So if you're just starting, don't worry. I'll ask the questions you might want to ask. And Aleen will help us understand. Slowly, clearly, and kindly.
That's the plan. We'll learn through simple conversations, real examples, and short practice moments. You can listen, repeat, and grow at your own pace.
So what will we learn in Season 1, Aleen?
Season 1 is called Everyday English Foundations. We'll learn how to greet people, introduce ourselves, talk about our country, share simple things about our day, and order food or drinks in English.
So we'll be able to survive and smile in daily English.
Exactly. By the end of this season, you'll be able to greet new people, start small conversations, and feel confident when you speak English.
And what about later seasons? I saw something about English for work and English for tech.
Yes. After Season 1, we'll go into everyday to workplace English, English for tech and business, and finally, global professional English. Each season helps you move from simple daily talk to real professional English for meetings, teamwork, and global communication.
That sounds perfect for people who want to grow their career and speak with confidence in English.
Exactly. Our goal is to help you sound natural, feel confident, and communicate clearly, anywhere in the world.
So if you're ready to learn English the smart and simple way, subscribe now and join us every day.
We'll speak slowly, clearly, and with heart. Every episode brings you closer to confident English, step by step.
This is your learning space. Relax, listen, and practice with us.
Welcome to the Lexicon Ledger, English for Global Professionals.
Let's learn together.